Hey folks, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Xbox controller for your PC or for your Xbox maybe. So this is the version which has the USB-C cable along with it. So if the box contains this USB-C, that means that it already has a USB-C in it. If it doesn't, so it will not have a USB-C cable, but it will have some two AA batteries, so which is basically that substitute of this. So this also contains the two AA batteries. Like there's an option to use two AA batteries. So let's unbox it. So this has actually already been unboxed by Flipkart because it was an open box delivery. So you can see this. This is the controller, how it looks like. So yeah, this is black in color, and yeah, it looks really cool. And yeah, so let's see what's inside the box. So as you can see, there's a USB to Type C cable, which is quite long actually. Oh, it's about, I'm assuming this is about 1.5 meters long. This is very long, and you can directly plug and play if you don't have two AA batteries. So either you can use two AA batteries and play wirelessly, or you can use this 1.5 meter long USB cable in order to plug and directly play without the use of battery. So I'll start with the gaming and tell you how it actually feels, what the experience is like. So let's get into it. Hey folks, so essentially there are two ways in order to connect your controller with the PC. There's a USB-C type cable given that you can directly plug and play, or you can add two AA batteries on the back of it, and that gives you a wireless feel of it. So this is the controller, this is how it looks. So in order to turn it on, you have to click on this X button, and I think the power light's on. So this is currently in a slightly fading in and fading out way, and in order to pair it, you have to click on this button over here, a small button. I hope you can see this. So you have to press it for a while and the light will start blinking. Yeah, so now this is in pairing mode. So as you can see, the pop-up has already come here that I need to connect my Bluetooth game with this, and it's already connecting and my device is ready to go. So this is now connected. So as you can see, it's already connected over here, I guess. Yeah, Xbox wireless controller. So that is the beauty of Xbox and Windows. It gels very well. It's like the window ecosystem. So let's play a game in order to understand how does the control work and does it automatically adapt or not. So let's play Spider-Man. This is Spider-Man remastered. So we'll just play a small. So yeah, yeah. So the controller is working. Let's hit on play. So this is really sturdy. The ergonomics are very good. Okay, so I'll tell you one thing. So this also has vibrating motors inside it. So when you use it will vibrate as well. So let's continue. And as I click, I get a slight vibration. So you get the actual feel of the game. I think that are some of the incentives. So that are some of the incentives that you get, that while you are playing, you actually get some shocks while you are loading a gun or maybe doing some activity that has some actual effect on it, that there's a recoil to it. So that's a really good feeling if you play with a controller. So let's play some game.
How about a favor? You still have that mask from the gallery? Martin Lee, why?
He has a degree in art history. If anyone knows about the origins of that mask, he will.
Just keep me in the loop. Like I said, I think there's a bigger story here.
Yeah, so as I am swinging Spider-Man, it's vibrating, which is giving a real sense of web shoots and all that. So, and as you can see, it has already adapted to the buttons of my Xbox controller. It already shows A and B, which are present on my controller. So the adaptability of Xbox and Windows is really good.
And I plan to be the one to break it.
Sure. So I can call you like whenever?
Yeah, whatever. Actually heard anyone say before. Look, all I'm saying is, I hate to imagine what would have happened if all those guys showed up and Spider-Man wasn't here.
Another lost cause. Gone on.
So as you can see, the gameplay is really good and it feels really subtle to play on Xbox. So if you want to play your game and if you have a gaming laptop, I would definitely suggest you to buy your Xbox controller. It gives you really good feel. Like, I know it's slightly expensive, like for Indian it's like 5,500 rupees, but I think it's definitely worth it. So you should definitely go and buy it out, and I'll put the link in the description. So I hope you like the video. Please like the video if you like the video, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching my video.